Alright. Okay, so thousands. We're going to the nearest thousand. We got to think of our place values. We've got 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, units, tenths. So tenth of a dollar, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths. So in any case, to the nearest thousand, we're looking to stop here. So we want to stop here. So we look at the digit right after that, and it's a 5. If it's 5 or more, you round up. If it's 4 or less, you round down. So rounding up, that 5 becomes a 6. So 76,000. Okay, so that's the thousands. Now, if you're asked to round this number to the nearest 100, you start all over. It's a different problem, everybody. So I want to round this number to the nearest 100. So forget about the 76,000. That's the first thing. Okay, so to the nearest 100, we want to get it to this spot. So you just look at what comes after this 5. So again, forget about 76,000. It's a new problem. Just round to the nearest 100 all on its own. Good. So the 75 stays. That's like, it's just, the only thing is we're just looking at this 5 and this 4, and we want to figure out, do we go up or down? Well, if it's 4 or less, we round down. If it's 5 or more, we round up. So it's 4 or less, so we just keep it at 5 and then round down, so 500. So 75,500, and you forget about everything back here because you're only focused on these two digits. That's it. Don't care about any of this. Don't care about any of this. Just those two, right? So that's the hundreds. Okay, now we're going to round this guy to the nearest dollar. Again, you forget about these. This is like a different question. Round this number to the nearest dollar. Take your time. Good. So to the nearest dollar, this is our units here. This is our dollars. So we want to get it as far as here and then stop. So we just look at the digit that comes after the 0. We block this off, and that's all we're focused on. The 0 and the 6. If this number is 5 or more, we round up. If it's 4 or less, we round down. Now, do we round up or down? Round up, right? Round up, right? So this 0 is going to become a 1. The 0 is going to become a 1. Everything else stays the same. We forget about everything past here. That's gone. We just want to know, do we go up or down from here? So it's going to be, like I say, it's going to be 75,540 what? And again, it's either 540 or 541. It's one of those two. We just need to know, do we go up or down? That's it. So we go up. 541, right? And that's rounded to the nearest dollar. Now round to the nearest cent. Correct, right? So rounding to the nearest cent. Yep. Rounding to the nearest cent. We look along. Where are the cents? We've got, our thousands, hundreds, tens, units, or dollars. Tenth of a cent. That's 6/10 of a cent. That's like 6 dimes. The 4 is 4 pennies. Okay, and then after that you've or hundredths. That's 4 hundredths, 4 pennies. This is 5 thousandths, which we don't use in money, in currency. It's too small. In fact, pennies are too small. But in any case, the point is the cents are here at this spot. So we just zoom in and we go, look, do I want to leave that as a 4 or do we change the 4 to a 5? We look at the digit after it and we decide, do we go up or do we go down? If it's 5 or more, we go round up. If it's 4 or less, we round down. And we can see that it is 5, so that's 5 or more. And so we need to round up, and so that 4 becomes a 5, and everything else stays the same. So it's just 75,540.65, and we're done, and that's it. That's all it is. So this number becomes this. We rounded it to the nearest cent, right?